Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I got this Modelones kit from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description box. I love this kit so much. First of all, I love Modelones. I just love all their products. I love their gel polish. I love everything of theirs. So this was a no-brainer. I definitely wanted to try this foil kit out. So let's see what's inside the box. It had a great instruction manual, big pictures, simple. I love it. Step by step. So first up are the stickers. Now there's many different kind of stickers in there. There's flames, there's some like triangle shapes, some leaves. I love the patterns too, they're so pretty. And this is a large roll of the flames, and that is the foil, the transfer foil. And it also comes with two large gel nail art foil glues. So it's the glue that cures in the light. So there's no waiting around for it to whatever change color or whatever. You just cure it and then use it. Awesome. I love that. Check out how big that bottle is. I love it. And this is a super cute little container, and there's 10 different styles of the transfer foil. And then it also comes with a base coat. And also a top coat. They're both UV, so you cure it in the lights. Okay, so I buffed off this little tip that I wanted to try out a sample nail on this kit. So I'm going to use the base coat on this. And check out the brush, isn't it? I love the brush. It's so pretty and it's perfect size. I don't like the ones that are too wide or too skinny. This is like perfect size. And I'm just using a white just for underneath like a base color. Just a white that I already had. Okay, so I just put a light layer of the glue, the foil glue. So funny because I wasn't sure how I wanted to put this on. I didn't know if I wanted it perfectly smooth or if I wanted it like just all over the place. Yeah, I just kind of ran with it, so let's just watch. And this does not come with a silicone tool. I had this from another kit, but you can see here you can also use your fingers and just press down and then just pick it up and just place it any which way you'd like, just to transfer the design on. I liked how it came like here and there, not like perfect. I like that look. So you can just use tweezers and grab any of the stickers that you'd like to try, and you just place it any which way you'd like. And I just wanted to try out a flame to see how it would come out and see how it would stick, and I love these. They stick so well. The edges don't curl, they don't lift up at all. Once you place it in, you are good to go. I didn't have to fuss with it at all. And some of them, they don't lay right, or the edges, like the little tiny pieces, just stick up, and this didn't do that at all. So I love that. And then you just simply top coat and cure, and you're good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.